Welcome to lesson one. We'll be looking at definitions of M&E. Let's look at what M&E is. First of all, M&E stands for monitoring and evaluation. So the M stands for monitoring, while the E stands for evaluation. Now, what is monitoring? Monitoring is the systematic collection and analysis of data and information to track the progress of a project, program, or intervention. There are keywords in monitoring that we need to look at. One, it has to do with collecting or gathering information about a program or a project. And the focus of that and the purpose of that is to track progress, see what we are doing well and what we are not doing well so we can improve. And this is done during the program implementation or the project implementation, at which time you are carrying on the activities of the project. Now, for evaluation, it's basically looking at assessment, which is done to determine the impact and the outcomes of your project. So, for evaluation, the first thing we try to do is to carry on assessment. We are assessing to know whether we achieve our objectives. We are also assessing to know whether we designed the project well and we implemented the project well. So that's evaluation. And there are two main components of M&E. And these two components of M&E has to do monitoring and evaluation. And so monitoring is basically ongoing data collection. As I said, it's a regular collection of data. And it has to do with analysis and reporting during project implementation. So everything that has to do with monitoring is done during project implementation. The data we collect, the analysis we make, and the report we develop. But evaluation is periodic. So it's not regular, it's not ongoing, but it's periodic. It's either we do it once or twice during a project, and this can be done based on certain time frame. So it's periodic assessment, and this is to determine whether the project was effective, efficient, and impactful. Now let's talk about the importance of M&E. So number one is accountability. M&E demonstrates accountability to stakeholders by showing how resources are used and what results are achieved. With M&E, we can learn and improve. So M&E helps organizations learn from their experiences and improve future projects. Evidence-based decision making. M&E provides data to inform or help us make informed decisions about project or program adjustments and reduce allocation. Transparency. M&E enhances transparency by sharing results and progress with key stakeholders. So that's basically looking at the importance of M&E. So in this lesson, we talked about what M&E is. M&E is monitoring and evaluation. And monitoring is a regular collection of data on progress during the project implementation, while evaluation is assessing to know whether we achieve what we intended to. And the importance of M&E is that number one, it helps us to be accountable. It helps us to learn and improve. It helps us to make evidence-based decisions and also helps us to be transparent. Thank you very much.